Osteopathy is one of the most recognized forms of complementary and alternative medicine in Europe today, and its roots lie in a philosophy that views the body as an interconnected whole. Unlike treatments that focus only on symptoms, osteopathy works with the principle that the structure and function of the body are deeply linked. When the bones, muscles, joints, and connective tissues are well aligned and balanced, the body has an inherent ability to heal itself. But when those structures are restricted or imbalanced, pain, stiffness, and even problems with circulation and nerve function can arise. First, let's know which country you're watching this video from in the comment section. Also like, comment, and share so others can see. This form of therapy is deeply hands-on. An osteopath relies less on machines or medications and more on the sensitivity of trained hands. Hands that can feel tension in the muscles, misalignments in the spine, or subtle restrictions in the joints. Through gentle manipulations, stretching, and targeted pressure, osteopathy seeks to restore mobility, ease discomfort, and bring the body back into harmony. Patients often describe it as a process of unlocking parts of the body that felt stuck or heavy. Historically, osteopathy was developed in the late 19th century by Andrew Taylor Still in the United States, but Europe became one of the key regions where the practice flourished. Countries such as the United Kingdom, France, Belgium, and Italy integrated osteopathy into their healthcare systems, recognizing it as a distinct medical profession. Today, Europe is home to thousands of practicing osteopaths, with structured training programs, licensing bodies, and hospitals that integrate osteopathic care alongside conventional medicine. What makes osteopathy stand out is its holistic perspective. Rather than isolating a problem, such as chronic back pain or stiff shoulders, it examines how the entire body contributes to that condition. For example, a pain in the lower back might be traced to tension in the hips, poor posture, or even restrictions in the ribcage that change the way a person moves and breathes. By treating the whole system, osteopathy not only relieves immediate pain, but also reduces the chance of the problem returning. One of the primary benefits of osteopathy is the relief of chronic pain. Many patients turn to osteopaths after years of discomfort from conditions like lower back pain, sciatica, or joint stiffness. Instead of relying heavily on painkillers, which often mask symptoms without solving the underlying issue, osteopathy addresses the root causes. The manipulations encourage better circulation, reduce inflammation, and help the nervous system calm down. This approach gives patients not just temporary relief, but a path toward long-term wellness. Another major benefit is improved mobility. For individuals recovering from injuries, surgery, or simply the wear and tear of daily life, osteopathic treatments can make movement easier and more fluid. Athletes in Europe often incorporate osteopathy into their training routines because it helps prevent injuries, improves recovery times, and optimizes performance by keeping the musculoskeletal system in balance. Beyond pain and mobility, osteopathy also focuses on restoring balance within the body. This balance is not only physical, but also affects the body's internal systems. The spine, for instance, houses the central nervous system, and when vertebrae are misaligned or joints are restricted, it can interfere with nerve communication. By gently adjusting the spine, osteopaths often notice improvements not just in movement, but also in sleep quality, digestion, and even mood. Patients frequently report a feeling of lightness and overall well-being after treatment. It's important to note that osteopathy is not a quick fix. While some people feel immediate results after 1 or 2 sessions, lasting change often comes from a series of treatments, supported by lifestyle adjustments. Osteopaths may suggest simple exercises, posture corrections, or stress management techniques to complement a hands-on therapy. This empowers patients to take an active role in their healing, making the benefits more sustainable. In Europe, osteopathy has also gained credibility because of its strong educational foundation. Training programs typically last 4 to 5 years and involve intensive study of anatomy, physiology, pathology, and clinical practice. This level of expertise ensures that osteopaths can work safely with patients across a wide range of conditions, from musculoskeletal pain to more complex health challenges. Despite its growing popularity, osteopathy is not meant to replace conventional medicine, but to work alongside it. In fact, many European healthcare systems encourage a collaborative approach, where osteopaths, doctors, physiotherapists, and other specialists share information and create comprehensive treatment plans. This integrated model has shown positive outcomes, particularly for chronic conditions where standard treatments alone may not be enough. The global appeal of osteopathy also lies in its non-invasive nature. With growing concerns about the side effects of long-term medication use and the risks associated with surgery, more people are looking for therapies that are safe, gentle, and effective. Osteopathy fits this demand perfectly. It does not rely on drugs or surgical tools, but instead uses the natural intelligence of the body and the skill of practitioners' hands. From busy professionals dealing with desk-related posture problems, to elderly individuals managing arthritis, to young athletes striving for peak performance, osteopathy offers benefits across all age groups. And as the wellness industry continues to expand in Europe, osteopathy has found its place not just in clinics, but also in sports clubs, rehabilitation centers, and even spas focused on holistic health. In essence, osteopathy is more than just a therapy. It is a philosophy of care. It respects the body's ability to heal itself, honors the intricate connections between muscles, joints, and the spine, and prioritizes the individual as a whole rather than a collection of symptoms. Its growth in Europe is a testament to its effectiveness and its alignment with modern healthcare values that emphasize prevention, patient-centered care, and long-term wellness. For anyone struggling with chronic pain, limited mobility, or imbalance in the body, osteopathy offers a gentle yet powerful pathway back to health. By bringing the body back into alignment, it restores not just physical movement, but also confidence, vitality, and a renewed sense of balance in daily life. Follow our social media for more, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more natural and holistic health tips and herbal remedies you'd like to know about. Thrive with nature.